southeastern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, south central Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 6 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Baltimore, Severn, Riviera Beach, Baltimore Washington Airport, Glen Burnie, Dundalk, Essex, Pasadena, Arbutus, Rosedale, Ferndale, Brooklyn Park, Fort Meade, Humphrey, Southgate, Linthicum, Edgemere, Lansdowne, Jessup, and East Point. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.